Hello friends, welcome to this video. We have reviewed high-quality products in our channel's video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to our channel. Number 1. Hero Cosmetics Mighty Patch Original Patch. Mighty Patch is a hydrocolloid sticker that improves the look of pimples overnight without the popping. Just stick it on, get some sleep, and wake up with clearer-looking skin. Results in 6 to 8 hours, absorbs pimple gunk thanks to our medical-grade hydrocol. Number 2. Hero Cosmetics Mighty Patch Invisible Patch. Mighty Patch Invisible is our stealthiest hydrocolloid patch yet. Whisper thin and lightweight, yet still effective. So you can wear it during the day to reduce the appearance of zits. Virtually undetectable, clear, matte, and seamlessly tapered, Invisible effortlessly blends into any skin tone. Number 3. Hero Cosmetics Mighty Patch Micropoint for Blemishes. Stage Blemish Patch, Micropoint for blemishes zeros in with 395 micropoints so your skin looks clearer. Ingredients matter: salicylic acid, sodium hyaluronate, niacinamide willow bark work together to target early-stage blemishes. Number 4. Grace Stella Under Eye Mask. Birthday gifts for women, gifts for mom, gifts for girlfriend, spa gifts for women, birthday gift, nurse gifts, bachelorette goodie bag, and for party favors. 30-day feel-good policy. If you're not 100% happy, just let us know and we'll make it right. Number 5. Clean Skin Club Clean Towels XL. 50 dermatologist-tested and approved bio-based face towels. Clinically shown to help individuals achieve visibly clearer skin, less irritation, and to reduce the appearance of redness. Always have a clean, bacteria-free towel for drying your face.